President Trump is scheduled to meet with millennials tomorrow to hear their thoughts on the economy and tax reform. With April just around the corner, many of these rugrats will be filing their taxes for the very first time. But did you know that the government confiscates half of your income in hidden taxes? My next guest's new book, How Do I Tax Thee? A Field Guide to the Great American Ripoff, breaks down how the government sneaks in hidden fees and charges in everything from your cell phone and electric bills to the soda that you buy at dinner, costing Americans a whopping $657 billion a year. Joining me now is the contributor at The Hill and author of How Do I Tax Thee, Kristin Tate. Kristin, welcome.
Thank you so much for having me, Tom.
Listen, this is not a book that's filled with good news. Taxes everywhere. Cable bill? I don't look at the cable bill, but it's in there, right?
Yeah, you've got to look at these bills. You know, most Americans know that the government taxes are income, but many are unaware of these other covert ways that the government is siphoning money out of our paychecks. These hidden taxes are embedded into nearly every purchase, activity, or bill that we pay. They balloon the cost of everything. Cell phone bills, utility bills, MTA bills, airplane tickets, hotel stays, everything.
We used to know about the airplane because you would buy the ticket.
Yes.
You don't remember this. You're too young. But they used to have them on. They would print out the ticket, and then they would see this fee, that fee. You know, we don't see them now. But what percentage of a ticket is taxes?
It could be up to 30%.
You're kidding!
And what's scary, though, is that when you add these stealth taxes to income taxes, the government is effectively taking up to 50% of your income, sometimes more. And this should worry all Americans, because when the government is profiting more off of your own labor than you are, that's socialism right there. So I wrote How Do I Tax Thee? Because I think hidden taxes need to be a part of the national discussion when it comes to taxation, because they are really affecting our bottom line.
What did you think of the president's tax cut?
Love the tax cuts. They save us money. Whenever Americans can put more money in their pockets, that is a good thing. Of course, they also helped, it helped companies with the corporate tax cuts as well. But again, I want to see this conversation expanded to hidden taxes. As you mentioned in the intro, Americans are paying $650 billion in hidden taxes per year. These stealth taxes go against the fundamental law of taxation, that taxes need to be visible to the people who pay them. So my book shows people how to spot these hidden taxes, but also gives them tangible ways to demand a more accountable system.
Demand a more accountable system. Nothing radical like a Boston Tea Party kind of stuff, you know?
Hey, if that's your thing, that's cool too. I mean, I advocate in the book for 3 pillars of fair taxation, which are transparency, fairness, and thrift. If we can achieve those 3 things, that is how you have the ideal system of taxation. But hidden taxes fly in the face of all 3 of these pillars.
Let's get the book. Thanks, Kristin.
Thank you so much, Tom.
We'll be right back.